How you doing today, guys? And so we are about to get into, as I said just earlier, the Kinky Curly Not Today and the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. So these will be the main two products I am using. Well, the only products. I just co-washed and deep conditioned my hair, so that's already taken care of. And I guess I'm just really going to start from the back. I did towel dry my hair, so I kind of took a lot of the moisture out. I am not really going to do like a whole bunch of little tiny sections. I can barely even get my hair up into a ponytail, y'all. You know what? Okay, so I'm gonna try a different strategy when doing my hair. Well, not a different strategy, but just I always like do like these really tiny sections and it take me all day. And I'm like, oh my God, Angela, you ain't got that much hair. So I had seen someone, I think her name was Roxy, on YouTube do her hair, and she just did it from sections in the back first. And it was really quick, which, short hair should be really quick, especially short natural hair. So we're gonna start from there. I'm trying to give you guys some good lighting. I hope you guys can see this. But yeah, so first I'm gonna put in a leave-in conditioner. Now this conditioner has marshmallow root in it. Everything is all organic and natural. It has mango fruit, slippery elm. It's only probably like 10 ingredients in here. It's a fragrance in here. So it says it's for thick, loose, and loose waves or curls. For thick, coarse curls, use a general amount and evenly detangle hair before applying the styling product. For loose curls, use a moderate amount and leave a little on the ends before applying. So, of course, I'm not loose, and even if I was, I'm heavy-handed. So I'm just gonna apply, and usually I apply my leave-in conditioner all over my head first, but I just want to do this section for you guys just to show you, and then I'm gonna kind of check out. So with leave-in conditioner, I always rake it through with my hands, and I'll use the brush as well. I'll use like a brush to glide the product through. Stop whining! So I always use a brush to also glide the product through. But I first go through with my hands. It just helps me really feel if my curls have any like knots and tangles in it. And also it helps me know like certain parts of my hair have enough of whatever product I'm using in it. Like I'll be like, okay, I can feel that I've used, a good amount. Like I said, I just want to go through. Now, the Denman brush is really good for defining curls and distributing product evenly through your hair. It's not really a good detangler, which is why I really finger detangle first. Some people detangle with it. I really don't use it that much anymore as a detangler. Although with my shorter hair, it is much easier to just run it through. It doesn't really get snagged. Shit, if anything, my nails get snagged on my hair. Okay, I know you're like, that's a long time for some leave-in conditioner. But, like I said, I usually do that whole part first. And now we're going to go in with the Kinky Curly custard, which is a very gooey, icky feeling custard. It feels like jam, jelly. I do know that much, but I've never used it on my hair. I used it on my daughter's hair recently, and I've been wanting to try it, and so this will be a first. Okay, what I need you to do is get up there and sit down. Now, get up there while I'm doing something. Let me finish my hair and sit down. Get up here. Here. There's the phone. Now sit down. And just for, get up there now. Get up there. And just for, I guess, you know, extra, I'm gonna reapply some more water just in case. Like, looking at my curls, I'm just like, oh my God, these things are so tight. Like, they're nice and juicy and spirally, but I'm just like, I just want my hair to grow. But, okay, let's see. Oh man, this stuff is thick. And this is made from, okay, it says for thick curls, hair must be dripping wet. Divide hair into small sections. Comb, brush, or rake into the sections. Use spray bottle to re-wet any dry section. Smooth with fingers from root to tip to lengthen your curls and reduce poo. So, okay. Got it. So, okay, it says remove tangles. Well, wash and condition hair. Remove tangles from hair with the white tooth comb while conditioner is still in your hair. Rinse and apply to wet hair. Using a towel will cause frizz. So they do say don't use a towel. So it eliminates frizz, defines curl, provide long-lasting hold, locks in moisture, and it says it gives shine. And it has botanical infusion water, horsetail, chamomile, marshmallow, aloe vera, agave, nectar extract, vitamin E, potassium sorbate, natural fragrance. So once again, all natural things. It's only like a handful of ingredients on there, and it slides onto my hair like silk, literally like silk, baby. But it did kind of elongate my curls a little bit now that I'm looking at it. Like, as I'm just sitting here constantly running it through my hair, it does, I mean, it doesn't elongate them that much, but I'm saying it gives it like a little and not so much poof. Like, you see, it like lays it down a little bit more. So I do like that, you know, that versus, you see this shrub over here? So that's good. I know it said apply in small sections. I'm not gonna part my hair in small sections, but I am gonna rake it through, I guess, small sections. I love how it just separates my curls too. Now I'm trying to see if it says to use like a generous amount or a little bit amount. Okay, it doesn't say. It doesn't say whether how much to use. So I'm guessing you can use however much you want to, but I'm gonna finish raking it through, and then I'm gonna turn around and show you the back before I get finished with the rest of the head. Ooh. So I guess me re-wetting it actually helped too, because I did that before I even read the directions. I just know my hair does really good with most products really soaking wet. I have ran across some products to where soaking wet doesn't work for those products. But when working with like gels and custards, my hair works best soaking wet. So my hair is super uneven. So when I show you guys the back, do not judge me. Don't be in my comments or hit me on Instagram like, hey, you know, sis, I just wanted to let you know, whoever lined you up need to do a little bit more work. I know, I got it. Okay. So this is the back. And this is how it's looking. So I'm going to do the rest of my head and I will be back. Okay. As you guys can see, is the next day. Excuse the tired look. And so I did bantu some of my hair. I also put some oil in it. So far, my hair is really, really soft and it is shiny. So it did, you know, produce that, and it produced softness. My hair feels, you know, moisturized. It doesn't feel like all hard or anything like that. It feels very soft, and it feels like, you know, my curls in whatever, you know, style it will last, you know, using this product. And I love the way it stretched so easily with me banding it. It did, you know, it did a little stretch, but it did, you know, it stretched really easily. And I just can't get over how soft it feels. As y'all know, I mean, I don't style my hair too many ways. I'm still kind of at that in-between awkward length. I didn't get to stretch this part. As y'all can see, this part is kind of flat. I ran out of hair ties. But I do still style my hair the best way I can. I mostly now put a headband on if I do wear it short. I still like the 2 puffs at the top. I have worn that again so far like 1 time. Here is the finished look. I mean, you already know it's not styled much, but I love how the curls look. Let me see. You see the definition on those curls? Like, so the product is amazing. Like, I love it. It makes me excited for, you know, my hair being longer and everything like that. Excuse my noise in the background. Those are my children. My lovely, lovely children. But I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Please definitely share with your friends and family, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.